Today's 8/18/10, and that's about a 9-pounder. That one there is a 6-pounder. That one there is a 5-pounder. There's 3 3-pounders. Maybe a 2-pounder there and a 2-pounder over there. I don't know how much that adds up to. That's 25 or 30 pounds of catfish, easy enough. That 9-pounder right there is a good one. And that's a 6-pounder. And then that one there is a 5-pounder. So that's 20 pounds of catfish there. So I got a good 30 pounds of catfish. Today's 8/20/10. That one there's a 9-pounder. That's a 5-pounder. That's a 5-pounder. And that's a 2-pounder. About a good 20 pounds of catfish. Today's 8/21/10. That's a 10-pounder. That's a 6-pounder. That's a 5-pounder. That's a 5-pounder. That's a 3-pounder. That's a 2-pounder. And that's a 4-pounder. So there's 7 catfish. Oh, well over 30 pounds. Nice mess of catfish.